4 to 7 with Just Plain Darren.
Gates Repair Services, sponsors of our news. How's it going, Si?
It's going very well, Darren. Thank you very much for having us here.
Nice. Of course, you hear them as our sponsors of all our news bulletins here in the afternoon on Mix 93.8. And you have brought a guest with you. His name is Mark. He's from Centurion. Explain the connection, first of all, before we talk about your award-winning prowess.
Well, Gate Repair Services install Centurion gate motors, and I've brought Mark along specifically because Centurion has now launched a new motor called the D5 Smart.
All right, Mark, so tell us about this new gate motor that you've got here.
Yeah, thanks for having me. So we've just launched our new flagship gate motor, which is called the D5 Smart. So it's the evolution of the D5 Evo, which is probably the best known gate motor. As Centurion, we have innovation at the heart of the brand, so we're always pushing. It's how to make life easier, and now with gate automation, it's not only just about opening and closing gates anymore, it's actually about just security.
Yeah.
You know, so we wanted to address these things with the new D5 Smart. The main benefits of this motor is it's twice as fast as the D5 Evo, which we had before, and I'm sure you guys know that stats tell that, you know, hijackings and predominantly in driveways. So now speeding up the speed of your gates, you're less stationary, less minimizing the risk for you being hijacked there.